Oh, hey, guess what I got in the mail today? Some new Rosemary Co brushes. I'm so excited. I can't wait to open the box. You want to see what I got? Come on, I'll show you.
Here's the box it came in. Isn't this such a cute package? I love that it has this little bow on it and it says, "Discover the magic of Rosemary & Co." So cute. All right, so let's pop this open. And look at that. I actually have a handwritten note. This says, "From Grandpa ELT?" I'm not sure. But it says, "Hi, Nina. Thanks for painting." No, it doesn't say painting. It says, "Thanks, Nina, for putting your trust in us. Hope you love these brushes. Happy painting." That's so nice. Sticker. My invoice. Some brush cleaning tips. And a message from the company. These always come really nicely packed. See how they have them taped down so that your brushes don't get knocked around everywhere while it's traveling to you. And then they have them inside these little plastic bags. Well, I'm just gonna rip it. Okay, so let's see what all I got. I got either 3 or 4 different things this time, just because I have my favorites, but I wanted to try something new just to see what some of the other ones do. So let me get this out of the way. All right, so these are a couple of different ones in one package together. Let's see, where is the little flap to open it? Maybe it doesn't have a flap. Okay, we're going to do it like this. Nope, we're not. Hang on, let me grab scissors. Oh, now it opened. Of course. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! All right, so I have a couple of different ones in here. This is a Rosemary & Co. Synthetic Series 313. What I got was a 3, a 5, and a 0. So let me just go ahead and take that off. And look at the point on that. I cannot wait to give those a try. And you know what I'm liking about this is the shape of it. I think it would make it really comfortable to hold. And then this is a couple more of the Designer Series 344s. I don't remember ordering those because I already have a size 2 and a size 4. Maybe they sent them as a freebie. I don't know. That's okay. If they did, I'll take it. Okay, these, I have some of the Snowdrop, but they're smaller sizes. So I got a 6 and an 8. And then this is the Red Dot, which is one of my favorites, but I got a size 10 just in case I need to cover a larger area when I'm wanting to put down a water wash. And then these are some different scrubber brushes. I have some already, but they are a little bit softer. They're not super scrubby. So let's take a look at these. Okay, yes, these are definitely much more firm. And because the way that they're put in here, it's a flat brush and they're relatively thin. Of course, the bigger the brush, the wider they get, not only wide left to right, but I guess I should say thicker front to back. But so those are Rosemary & Co. Series 502, which those are scrubber brushes. So let me just pull all of this back in and show you what all I have. And just for the sake of time, I will put these to some use first, and then I will do some demonstrations for you and show you what I think about each of them, compare them to the ones that I'm already using. So these are new for me. These are new for me. Let's see, but these are some that are already my favorites, the Designer Series 344 and the Red Dot and the Snowdrop. So I have some of these already, which are the ones I use every single day. I just have different sizes. So I'll be trying out the scrubbers and these Series 313, and I'll show you how they work and tell you what I think in another video. I'll see you later. Bye.